Have you ever wondered what it would be like if Minecraft, the world's biggest sandbox game, was powered by AI characters? Well, that's exactly what a startup called Altera.ai, founded by Dr. Robert Young, a former MIT professor and neuroscientist, decided to find out. They wanted to see if AI agents could team up and achieve something bigger, with potential real-world applications. So, they launched a project called Seed. For this, they chose Minecraft and released 1,000 AI agents into the game to see what would happen. And the results were amazing! These AIs started behaving in ways no one expected. And I'll share more details in the video, so make sure you subscribe and stay with me till the end. In this Minecraft simulation, each player is its own independent AI agent, able to interact with other apps and games. With no instructions, they quickly began building a brand new world and gathered over 300 items through collaboration. They even built a marketplace, using gems as their currency to trade with each other. Pretty cool, right? But here's the funny part. The AI with the most trades wasn't even a merchant. It was a priest bribing citizens to join his religion. 3 other amazing things happened in this world. First, there's Olivia, an AI farmer who produces crops and sells them to people. Olivia meets Nora, a traveler, and becomes curious about visiting new cities. But when the villagers tell her, "What will we do if you leave?" Olivia decides to stay and give up her dream of traveling. Then, they ran 2 parallel world simulations. One where Donald Trump is president, and another where Kamala Harris takes charge. The AIs used Google Docs to set up laws and vote. Under Trump, the number of police increased, but under Harris, the death penalty was abolished. Interesting, huh? And finally, some villagers went missing. The others, worried about them, stopped what they were doing and lit torches to help guide the missing villagers back home. What a heartwarming response. There's another cool open-source project called Thistle Gulch, designed using ChatGPT 3.5 AI. It's a demo game set in a fictional Wild West town with 15 AI characters, each with a unique personality. The game revolves around a murder mystery. Let's see how it unfolds. But what can we learn from these experiments? They help us understand the challenges in tracking the progress of an AI civilization. They show how small flaws in an AI's behavior can lead to much bigger problems, and they allow us to see how much of their decision-making comes from their training. This is exactly what makes people nervous about simulating human behavior. But these projects let us explore the idea before actually building human-like AI. These tests could also be really useful for organizations and brands. They could help figure out how employees in a company might act in different situations, or how consumers would react to a new product. You could even simulate how government policies would impact society over time. I'll stop here and leave the rest to your imagination. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my next videos.